And next topic is how to delete a file. That means how to remove a file. If you want to delete this file A data, you just right click on that folder, then click on move to trash. There is no delete button here, so just click on move to trash. Okay, then that file is deleted from here, but it is not permanently deleted. That file is temporarily available in the trash. So double click on the trash button. You can see that file A data on the trash. Okay, so what is the use of trash? Trash is a temporary storage area of deleted files. Okay, then if you want to restore this one, that is from here you don't want to delete, you want to restore that one. For that purpose you can just click here that file, that folder, then click on the restore button, then it is restored into the parent area, that is file A data. Then if you want to remove permanently, for that purpose you just right click, then move to trash, then come to the trash, then click here. Okay, click on that, then that is select the folder, then press the delete button on your keyboard. Now it is asking, are you sure you want to permanently delete file A data? Yes. If you want, you can click on the delete button. Now that folder is deleted from the computer itself. Okay, that is, that file is not there in the desktop, and but also that data cannot be seen on the trash. Next is another way to delete a folder or a file. For that purpose you just select the folder. Okay, if I am going to delete this file A data, so just click on that one, that is you select this folder, then just press the delete button on your keyboard, then it is deleted. Then it is not permanently deleted, temporarily deleted, then the data can be seen on the trash. Okay, opening the trash you can see the 50A data. Okay, if you want to restore, then click on the restore. Otherwise, if you don't want to restore, if you want to delete it permanently from the computer, so just select that folder, then press the delete button on your keyboard again. Then it is asking, are you sure you want to permanently delete file A data? If you want to delete, click on the delete button, otherwise cancel. Click on the delete. Now it is permanently deleted from the computer. Okay, one more thing is that if you here you can see many files are there here, that is once deleted, but it is temporarily stored in the trash. Okay, if you want to empty all the things here, just click on the empty button. Okay, empty button, then it is asking empty all items from the trash. Yes, then click on the empty trash, all data will be removed from the computer itself. Now trash is empty. Okay, an important point is that we discussed all the things based on folders. Okay, moving folder, copying a folder, renaming a folder, or deleting a folder, etc. That is based on the folder itself, but the same procedure can be utilized for the files also. Okay, that is, here you see class 8 IT, that is a PDF file. If you want to rename this file name class 8, then the procedure is the same. Right click on that one and click on the rename. You can rename that one. I am writing here IT notes. Okay, IT notes, then rename. Now you can see that is also renamed. If you want to delete this one, right click, then move to trash, no problem. If you want to copy this file, just click on the copy button and paste anywhere. Okay, then if you want to cut this file into another area, then you can use right click, cut, so moving a file. Okay, So the same thing can be utilized for any file or any other folder. Okay, but in the textbook you can see that is based on folder, so that we discussed the same. Okay.